I'm Chef Christina Xenos. Welcome to Complete Greek, presented by the Center for Culinary Culture and sponsored by Melissa's Produce. Here we tell the story of traditional Greek cuisine, one dish at a time. Are you ready to cook? Let's go! Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of the most famous Greek recipes ever, Avgolemono soup. It's a chicken soup with an egg and lemon sauce. It's one of my most favorite recipes and I can't wait to show you how to make it. Season chicken with 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. In a large pot over medium-high heat, brown chicken in olive oil for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir in rice and chicken broth. Turn down heat, simmer soup for 20 minutes. Blend eggs in a blender or with a hand mixer until they're light and frothy. Pour in lemon juice and flour. Remove soup from heat. Temper the egg mixture by slowly adding 1 cup of the hot broth to the blender. Fold the egg lemon sauce into the soup, stirring constantly. Plate and serve, adding additional lemon, salt, and pepper to your taste. We hope you enjoyed this edition of Complete Greek and encourage you to follow the Center for Culinary Culture on social media. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Eats Drinks TV. You can also find this recipe, among others, on mysweetgreek.com. Until next time, yamas!